What is the torsion bar and how does it work? The torsion bar is an important component in the suspension system of vehicles. It is designed to absorb and distribute the torque forces that are generated during the movement of the vehicle, allowing better control and stability. Thanks to its ability to absorb torsional forces and maintain stability, it provides safer and more comfortable handling, ensuring adequate contact between the wheels and the ground. The torsion bar is made up of a strong steel bar that is located at the rear of the vehicle, connected to the suspension arms. Generally, two torsion bars are used to balance the movement of both sides of the vehicle. Functioning. When a vertical force is applied to the torsion bar, it flexes in the opposite direction to absorb the impact. This helps the wheels stay in contact with the road surface and prevents the vehicle from excessive rocking or leaning when cornering. The torsion bar is attached to the suspension arms by bushings or pivots. These components allow the bar to rotate and flex at the same time, depending on the ground conditions and the forces exerted on the vehicle. The torsion bar flex is adjusted using a torsion key. Turning this wrench changes the tension in the bar, which in turn affects the load that the bar can support. In this way, it is possible to adjust the rigidity of the suspension and adapt it to the preferences of the driver or the type of terrain on which it travels. Function. The main function of the torsion bar is to provide stability and control to the vehicle. By absorbing and distributing the torque forces generated during movement, the torsion bar helps keep the wheels in contact with the road surface and prevents the vehicle from tipping over or swerving in sharp cornering situations or fast maneuvers. In addition, the torsion bar offsets the weight of the vehicle and ensures an even distribution of that load between the wheels. This is especially relevant in cargo or off-road vehicles, where stability and balance are essential. On some vehicles, such as trucks or SUVs, the torsion bar is also used as part of the front axle suspension. In this case, the torsion bar is located next to the control arms or swing arms. As in the rear suspension, the torsion bar is responsible for absorbing the torsion forces generated during movement, thus ensuring stable and safe handling. It is important to note that the torsion bar may be adjustable on some vehicles. This means that the levels of stiffness or hardness of the suspension can be modified according to the needs of the driver. Through torsion load adjustments, the suspension behavior can be adapted to different driving conditions, such as heavy loads, uneven terrain, or sporty driving. In conclusion, the torsion bar is a crucial component in a vehicle's suspension system. Its main function is to absorb and distribute torque forces to maintain contact between the wheels and the ground, providing stability and control to the vehicle. In addition, its adjustability allows the suspension to be adapted to different driving conditions, thus improving the driving experience.